So it's New Gear Day. I want to thank the guys at Omega Music in Belgium, David in particular, for sending me this beautiful Mayones guitar, which we're going to unbox here. Dave was really good, responded to all my questions very quickly. I'm going to try to tear this open. They got this thing out fast. I am really excited to try this out. I made somewhat of a mess. That's pretty good for what I usually do. So if you don't know this brand of guitar, Mayones is a Polish manufacturer. And I've got one that you've seen in some of my other videos, the Red Hydra Elite. And this is a 6-string Duvell Elite. That's the top pocket. Looks like she's all strapped in. There it is. This thing's nice. So I'm going to take this out and we're going to plug it in. We'll do a video showing what it's got. Let's get to it.